Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use the X blueprint in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the X blueprint in Dark War Survival. So for this, to use a DX blueprint, you need to go and open the hero equipment. So your heroes are in the bottom left corner as you can see, and then you need to go and click on a hero. Now here you'll have of course your hero and some equipment that you can of course go and put into your hero. So we have them here, some are locked, some are not. Now when you're in a hero and this is of course open for you, select a piece of orange equipment and upgrade it fully using power cores. Once the equipment reaches its maximum orange level and stars, the option to upgrade it to red equipment becomes available. Then use the required DX blueprint power cores and other materials to complete the upgrade. You cannot use the DX blueprints on a normal or unfinished orange gear. Prioritize power cores first, since DX blueprints only become useful after the equipment reaches the required maximum upgrade level. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.